And this video will show you how to change email on Vinted. All right, just go ahead over to vinted.com. Now, once you're in here, make sure to log in, of course, right here at the top right. Once logged in, click on your profile right here at the drop down, click on it and go to settings. Click on it. Now in here, just go ahead over to the left pane right here and click on account settings. Click on it. You'll be able to see your verified email right here, which is your first email or the email that you have used to sign in. All right. Now, if you want to change it, just go ahead and click on change right here. Click on it. And as you can see, you will need to confirm the first email as your email address before you can update. All right. So just basically send a confirmation email. And I'm going to check my Gmail. Now, as you can see here, you should receive a similar email. As it states here, you requested to change your email on Vinted. To proceed, use the following button below. Just click on change email and there will be a page that will pop up. All right. It will require you to input your new email. Say, for example, I'm going to type in made for money 0@gmail.com. All right. This is my secondary email. So I'm going to hit on change. Once done, there will be a prompt. We sent an email to your new address. Click the link in it to finish the process. So I'm going to go ahead and log into that particular Gmail, and your secondary email should receive a message like this. To save this email address in your Vinted profile, you must confirm it by using the button below. Please do so within 24 hours. Otherwise, you'll have to start over. All right. I'm going to hit on confirm this email and another page will pop up. As you can see here, your email address has been confirmed, and that's basically how you change email on Vinted. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.